Guys, I'm Sai Charan from the team Code Crushers, and I'm here again to present my fifth project, that is my portfolio website. So this is an individual project, and I have created a pretty damn good portfolio website, which I have so much confidence on. And so let us go to the code. So this is the HTML code, and I have used CSS and some a bit of JS for this for decoration kind and responsive purposes. And the CSS code is a bit long because it took me a whole of 2.5 days time to build it. So this is the HTML code. So let's go to the output. So this is the portfolio website I have built. Here the introduction shows the my photo and my introduction as a web developer, app developer, and front-end developer. So it displays my name with and I have chosen particularly this color this because this cyan color is particularly attractive. So let's go down. So after hovering down, we get the navigation bar. We can do this using CSS. So and also I have given this effect where on the navigation bar you can click on these about education, skill, and service. So you you go into that section automatically on clicking it like this. So the portfolio I have built it contains about me, means who am I and what and my personal details. And next comes my education, like from my schooling to as my internship in GoCinQ. And then skills, I have written my skills over here, and I have given ratings where I can showcase my skills. And next I have given my services, like I design web apps and I develop the existing web apps, and I also design apps. So next we go to the portfolio where I have pasted all my project photos. So these are some projects which I and my team have built. This is the Ghana landing page, this is the Fitbit landing page, this is the simple calculator, and this is our hospital website. And next come the testimonials where I have given some random clients, giving reviews to me. And next we go to the blog. In blogs, we contain uh, some of my articles which I have posted on my LinkedIn. So if you click on this read more button, you can go directly to my LinkedIn and it shows you the article like this. So it's very useful to read my articles. So and let's in the last section is contact me, where you can give your details and you can contact me uh, to hire to hire me for any job. And I have given here some of my accounts where you can also approach me through these. And I also given a hire me button over here. If you click on this, you go to my resume, and I have created this resume in the Canva app. It does not take it does not take much time because it is very easy to build it. And I have given a random button over here, which if uh, it always floats like this, and we can do this using JS. And if you go on it, it changes the color, and if you click on it, it goes to the starting of the page. You do this using simple JS functions. So now going to the code. At first, as usual, we start with doctype HTML, and then I have linked all my CSS files over here. And if you go down, you get the navigation bar. You get the navigation bar where you can see these names: home, about, education. I have given all of these over here. And also, I have used the anchor tag here to link the resume which I have built. I have shown you in the Canva app. So going down. and I have divided all of them into several divisions because it shouldn't be a confusion. I have divided all of these: home, about, education, skill, service, all of these into different divisions. All of these into different divisions, and I have given effects and everything in this. So let's go to CSS code. The CSS code was pretty large for me, and this was the main task and very challenging task. But the HTML and JS were kind of uh, easy compared to the CSS, because it was very hard to manage all the colors. Like you should make the whole website from the top to bottom. You should match it very well, every section. So I have given many effects and many colors to it. So it's pretty big, uh, as you can see. And I have also uh, taken help from the mentors of the Go from the mentors from GoCinQ, and they also given me some inputs for building this. So this was the CSS code. It's pretty big, as you can see. Now let's go to the JS. JS is not that big, but JS plays a very vital role in my website, because uh, it covers the main effects. Like I have shown you this button. Like if we go down, I have shown you this button. If we click on this, it goes up. This effect is done using JS. So I have also taken many references from Google, and like how to do these effects, and I basically learned it and then I applied it to this website. So JS did not take that much time, but CSS took a lot of time. And if you go down here at the last, I have linked my JS files. I have linked my JS files here over here, and here I have also given the links and logos which I have downloaded from Google, of uh, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all. This was the foot. This is the footer. So this was the HTML code. Now, as we go to CSS, there are so many effects over here which I had given. If we go to the output, uh, actually, I firstly thought I will keep my photo in a square shape, but it would be too obvious. So I have given it in a circular shape, and I have used for creating this photo, editing it and giving the background. I have used some Photoshop and I have created this image. And this effect is also done in HTML, this apps developer, web developer thing. And I have given here the same photo in a square shape because it should be formal while giving my introduction about myself. And this division, I have in education, I have divided the page into two parts, where left side it showcases my education, and right side my experience as an intern at GoCinQ. And uh, we can split the page using CSS, and we can also give these lines using CSS, and I have written the text using HTML. And if we go to the scales, basically I have given this effect where it says my skills, and in the background, uh, in H1 I have given the word skills at the background. This we can do using HTML, and I have set the color in CSS. And the also HTML, like for example, if we take HTML here, it displays 85%, which I assume that I get to 85%. So in this bar, this blue bar, it can also be done in CSS. So if we go down, it showcases my services, and also I have given some related images to it, and also I have done some Photoshop for these images. If we go to portfolio, I have simply created four divisions. This was the simple part. I have simply created four divisions, and I took my screenshots of my projects and pasted it here in the same size, because if you keep different sizes, it will kind of mess up and it will look kind of awkward. So you should give it same size. The next, if we go to testimonials, these are some of the client reviews which I have given, because I'm still in my learning stage. So these are the some of the client reviews. And you can also do this effect like this buttons in JS, and also you can give this colors in CSS. And if you go down, you can also do give this date on this image using CSS, and I have you can write this text in HTML, and I have created the buttons over here, which directly link, which directly go to my LinkedIn and show you the article I have written over there. And this the links you can give again through the anchor tag, and I have given borders to these images because it should match to the theme of my portfolio. So I have given the same cyan blue color to these images. And if we go down, here's the contact me. This is the last division, and you can enter your name here, see, and also it gives me my name and email in default, which you can do using HTML, and also subject which you want to talk to me, and the message where you can approach me or you can call me directly. And if you click on the send message without writing any one of the section, uh, it also alerts you, please enter a subject. This you can do using JS. And I've also given this. If you go down, this is the footer section where it should match with the theme. And I've also given some of these. And if you can click on the Facebook one, you directly go to the Facebook login page. If you click on LinkedIn, you will go to the LinkedIn login page. Oh, it is already, my LinkedIn was already logged in. So it directly displays my LinkedIn, my profile, and everything. And this is also, lastly, I have given this text designed by me. And if you click on this button, again, you go to the top. And particularly this, actually, this was my friend's idea to do it like this. At first, I have thought that building a resume, it's not a simple process. It takes so much of time. So the easy way to build this is through the Canva app. Actually, this was my friend's idea, and I was very thankful to him. So this is the website I have built, my last portfolio website, which was an individual project. And I would like to thank my team, Code Crushers, my teammates Vinayak and Vaishnavi, for helping me and getting through the internship successfully and completing my internship successfully with all the projects. And I like to thank GoCinQ Technologies, and also I would like to thank Anurag sir for and Sharat sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity for me to doing this internship. And thank you, everyone. This is Sai Charan from the team Code Crushers signing off.